Winning back your ex is not an easy process. These text messages to get your ex back will help you to begin contact and let them know they are on your mind and to engage them in conversation. Start by bringing up fun reminders of the past and happy moments together. Also think of what your ex was good at and ask for advice. Finally, if you made mistakes, own up to them in an honest, sincere way. Need inspiration? The following text ideas will help you know what to say. Text messages to get your ex back. 1. Memory texts. Remind your ex of happier times with these text suggestions. 1. I saw a field of daisies today, and it reminded me of how much you love them. I hope you're doing well. 2. What was the name of that little restaurant on ____ street where we had such an amazing meal? I remember the food being delicious and the atmosphere was great. I want to tell a friend about it. 3. I watched movie again. I wonder how many times we watched that together. Seeing it again made me miss the old days with you. 4. I finally tried that Mexican restaurant you always wanted me to go to. And it was awesome, just like you said. I miss our food adventures. 5. I'm finding that memories of our time together seem to be on my mind a lot lately. I miss you. 6. I just heard our song. Sure made me miss you. 7. So much seems to remind me of you lately. 8. Remember when it was just us against the world? I miss that time. 9. I sure miss cheering on our team with you. Remember how crazy we used to get? 10. Today is Mama's birthday. Thank you for helping me get through the pain of losing her. 11. Mom/Dad adores you as much as ever. He was asking about you today. 12. Well, I ran out of gas and had a little unintended adventure today. Remember when that happened to us? 13. I caught a glimpse of a handsome guy/cute girl today who reminded me of you. I hope you're doing well. 14. I visited my family in place yesterday. It reminded me of all the fun times we had together there. They all asked about you. 15. I couldn't let your birthday pass without wishing you a great day. We had a lot of fun on your birthday last year. 16. I smelled freshly baked cookies today and instantly thought of you. 17. I finally organized all the pictures in my phone. I saw a lot of good ones of the two of us that took me down memory lane. 18. Season is officially here. I thought of you today because I know how much you love this time of year. 2. Conversation starters. These messages will flatter or intrigue your ex and arouse their curiosity. 1. I've done a lot of thinking lately. 2. Will you help settle a debate? 3. ___ was asking about you, and it made me wonder how you've been. 4. Saw you on Instagram. You look fantastic. 5. I really like your new hairstyle. Saw it in your profile pic. 6. I know how stressed you get during exams. Take care of yourself. Are you going to ____ party? 7. I didn't see you at work today. Hope everything is okay. 8. I need to confess something to you. 9. I've been doing a lot of thinking. I need to tell you something. 10. I just took a ___ lesson, and it was phenomenal. All I could think about was, I wish Name could see me. She'd be so proud of me. 11. Have you ever wished you could go back in time? 12. I was in your neighborhood today. 13. I had coffee with an old friend of yours yesterday. 14. I had a weird dream about you last night. 15. I just did something that reminded me of our first date. 16. Can I tell you how crazy work is getting? 17. Do you still adore jelly donuts? 18. Send photo. Do you remember where this was taken? 19. My dog just did something that made me think of you. 3. Advice texts. Let your ex know that you remember what they were good at with these text messages. 1. Hey, could I borrow some of your expertise? 2. I'm getting ready to redo the apartment, and you've always had great style choices. Would you mind giving me some suggestions? Would you mind to help me set up my new computer? You're good with technology. And as you know, I most definitely am not. 3. I could really use your help with ___ if you're willing. 4. I bought a new camera. Could you give me some pointers sometime? 5. What video game would you recommend for my little brother's/sister's birthday? 6. Do you have any advice on choosing a good car for me? I'm thinking of buying one. 7. Can you help me figure out this crazy math problem before I pull my hair out? 8. What's a good book to read this winter? 9. Who was that great mechanic/painter/landscaper you hired last year? 10. Got any good suggestions for a show worthy of binge watching? I have an interview coming up. What should I wear? 11. You always made the best ____. Could I have the recipe? I want to make it for a party that's coming up soon. 12. I have a major problem and would love your advice if you can spare some time. 13. I have to give a presentation for work, and I'm a nervous wreck. Tips? Any advice on asking for a raise? 14. You're such a professional. Can you help me write a resume? 15. Would you mind to read over a document for me to see if I made any mistakes? 16. You travel a lot. Which car rental company is the best? 17. Could you give me advice on dealing with a coworker? You always know exactly what to say. 4. I'm sorry/miss you texts. Use these ideas to let your ex know you are sorry and want to reconcile. 1. I know I messed up. If you ever decide to give us another chance, I'm willing. 2. I blew it. Forgive me? 3. I'm just going to be honest here, I miss you like crazy. 4. I don't know why I broke up with you. It was the biggest mistake of my life. 5. My insecurities caused me to lose you, the love of my life. If you find it in your heart to give me another chance, I promise to treat you with the love and respect you deserve. 6. Hey! I wanted to give you space and take time to work on my problems. But I want you to know I miss you greatly. 7. I miss that beautiful smile of yours. 8. I'm ready to move on if that's what you want, but I'd really rather stay with you. 9. I've taken time to reflect and be honest with myself lately. Just wanted to let you know I'm sorry. 10. The single life is not for me. I miss you every day. 11. I've done a lot of reflecting lately, and I want to thank you for sticking with me as long as you did. I didn't make things easy. 12. You always made me feel special. Thanks for that. 13. I'll always have a special place in my heart for you whether we're together or not. Take care of yourself. 14. I've taken time to reflect and be honest with myself lately. Just wanted to make sure you know how sorry I am. 15. Hi, it's been a while, hasn't it? I wanted you to know I've done a lot of thinking. And I see things much differently now. Let me know if you want to get together and talk. 16. Honestly, I should have never let you go. I'm sorry. 17. I can understand if you don't trust me anymore. But if you let me, I will show you how I've changed. 18. Would you like to go out for coffee and talk? No pressure. I'd like to give you the apology you deserve. 19. I always smile when I think of you. I'm sorry for putting us through so much. 20. They say, live and learn. I've learned a lot about my faults from our breakup, and I'd love to go back to living life with you again. Will you give me another chance?